Okay, so I've been cutting the woods, as you can see here. There's my wood that I'm going to be cutting. There's a bunch of those there I'm going to collect and bring home. As you can see, I already cut some other wood right there. Alright, so we're going to be cutting wood. Now I modified the jigsaw so I can cut the wood. So we're going to be cutting almost like a blade like that. And I don't want too big of a branch, maybe about 1 or 2 inches branch, because this blade is not meant to cut thick trunk or thick branches. So what we're going to do is just cut enough so I can use it for my fireplace. So here we have a bunch of woods that we're going to cut into about 1 foot and make firewoods. And they're pretty good. They're already dried up. All right, let's get started. There we go. Here's our first one. I really like this jigsaw. I took out the safety plastic here, so it can be used as almost like a wood cutting jigsaw. Like that. Works really well. You cut like this, almost like a knife with a saw. Cool, huh? Now, mind you can't cut too big of a wood, the diameter. I would say between 1 to 3 inches, maybe. I think that's good enough, but I'm gonna go for 1 to maximum 3 inches. Yeah, I think that's good enough for me. If it's too small, that's not needed. I think this is the maximum size that this thing can cut. This saw thing, jigsaw. Yeah, this is about the maximum size. This is perfect. It's a perfect size. Yep, nice log. There we go. Lots of woods for my fireplace. Outdoor fireplace. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna cut some more.